Hello everyone, today I am discussing about chemical equilibrium. In this video, we discuss about what is equilibrium, expression for equilibrium constant, calculating equilibrium constant using equilibrium concentration, calculating equilibrium concentration using initial concentration and equilibrium constant value, relationship between equilibrium constant at constant concentration and equilibrium constant at constant pressure. What is equilibrium? This is not equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. Consider the following reaction. Reaction 1 and reaction 2. Reaction 2 is the reverse of reaction 1. At equilibrium, the two opposing reactions, forward reaction and backward reaction, occur at the same rate. Concentration of chemical species do not change once equilibrium is established. Expression for equilibrium constant. Consider the following equilibrium system. Equilibrium constant is the concentration of product, multiply of concentration of product divided by the concentration of reactant. The numerical value of Kc, that is equilibrium constant, is calculated using the concentration of reactant and product that exist at equilibrium. Expression for equilibrium constant. There are further example in which equilibrium constant is given by using this example. This is another numerical in which equilibrium constant is calculated. These are numerical problems based on equilibrium constant. Expression and value of equilibrium constant for a reaction. The expression for equilibrium constant depends on the equation. The value of K applies to that equation. It does not depend on how the reaction occurs. Concentration used to calculate the value of equilibrium constant are those measured at equilibrium. Relationship between chemical equation and the expression of equilibrium constant. The expression of equilibrium constant depends on how the equilibrium reaction is written. For example, for the following equilibrium, this is the equation and equilibrium constant is find out. Expression and value of equilibrium constant using partial pressure. In above example, equilibrium constant in the constant concentration term. Now in this example, equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. This is the equation and this is the equilibrium constant and constant pressure. Then we come to relationship between Kc. Kc is the equilibrium constant at constant concentration. Kp is the equilibrium constant at pressure. Relationship between Kc and Kp. In general, for the reaction involving gases such that this is the product and right hand side is the reactant, where A, B, C, D or all gases, A, B, C, D are their respective coefficient. The relationship between Kp and Kc is Kp is equal to Kc RT and power change in concentration of number of moles. Delta N may be coefficient of product minus coefficient of reactant. In heterogeneous system, only the coefficient of gaseous species are counted. There are two types of equilibrium, homogeneous and heterogeneous. In homogeneous, in which there are reactant and product having the same phase, and in heterogeneous there are different phase. In case of heterogeneous system, only the coefficient of gaseous species are counted. relationship between Kc and Kp. There are the value of delta N is -1. In this reaction, there the change in the coefficient of reactant having its value is 2, and in the case of product there is only value of 1. The value of delta N comes from this formula C plus B minus A plus B. There the concentration is 1, 1 minus, there is 2, 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. Homogeneous and heterogeneous equilibria. Homogeneous equilibria are those in which reactant and product having the same phase. In the side of reactant, there are only the molecules which are occurring in gaseous phase, and in other side of product, there are also in gaseous form. This is homogeneous equilibria. In case of heterogeneous, there are different phase. In reactant side, there are only solid phase. In product side, there are two type of phase, solid and gaseous. It means it is heterogeneous equilibria. Equilibrium constant expression for heterogeneous system. This is the example of heterogeneous equilibria, and the equilibrium constant in case of heterogeneous may be calculated from this formula. Then we comes to solubility equilibrium. Solubility equilibrium. This is the example in which PbCl2 convert into Pb2 positive and Cl negative ion, and the Ksp is the solubility product. It is equal to the product of concentration of product. Combining equation and equilibrium constant. When two or more equations are added to yield a net equation, the equilibrium constant for the net equation is equal to the product of equilibrium constant of individual equation. Equation 1. A plus B is the reactant, C plus D is the product, and the arrow between them show the equilibrium, and equilibrium constant for this reaction is equal to concentration of product. It means C and D divided by the concentration of reactant A and D. Combining equation and equilibrium constant. This is the numerical problem based on the equilibrium. This is the second numerical problem. Third equilibrium problem. Equilibrium problem. Then we comes to application of equilibrium constant for any system or reaction. Knowing the equilibrium constant, we can predict whether or not a reaction mixture is at equilibrium, and we can predict the direction of net reaction. When QC, equilibrium quotient or equilibrium constant, when both are equal, it means there is no net reaction. When Kc is greater than Qc, it means a net forward reaction. When Qc is greater than Kc, a net reverse reaction. The value of K tells us whether a reaction favors the product or the reactants. Equilibrium constant is used to predict the direction of net reaction. For a reaction of known Kc value, the direction of net reaction can be predicted by calculating the reaction quotient. Qc is called reaction quotient where for a reaction such as Qc has the same expression as Kc, but Qc is calculated using concentration that are not necessarily at equilibrium. What does the reaction quotient tell us? If Qc is equal to Kc, the reaction is at equilibrium. If Kc is greater than Qc, the reaction is not equilibrium and there is net forward reaction. If Qc is greater than Kc, the reaction is not at equilibrium and there is net reaction in the opposite direction. Why is equilibrium constant important? Knowing equilibrium constant and the initial concentration, we can determine the concentration of components at equilibrium. This is the numerical problem based on equilibrium.